Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create your text into a poem, a joke, or a story on your iPhone running iOS 18.2. So with the new release of iOS 18.2, the writing style feature from Apple Intelligence has been improved in order for you to create poems, jokes, and stories. So let me show you how you can do this. So here I'll go ahead and open up Notes. I'll create one new note and I'll just put down. Now let's say I want to make this into a story, so I'll go ahead and select all of them. I'll select Writing Tools, and here I want to go ahead and describe your change. So I want to say make a story and send it off. Now we'll give it some time, and now this will compose a story with Apple Intelligence, or if you have ChatGPT, it'll enable that and create a story out of it. Go ahead and tap on Use ChatGPT. And there you go. It has now created you a story out of that one sentence. And now you can press done. And you can go ahead and read the story and post it or send it to anyone you like. So there you go, guys. That is how to create a text into a poem, So there you go, guys. That is how to create a text into a poem, joke, or a story on your iPhone running iOS 18.2. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.